Hi, Eric with Anchor C2D Concept to Design. I want to give a review on the Landscape Pro Multi-View series from Modern Blaze. This is the 80-inch version. This one comes in varying sizes all the way up to 96 inches. I believe it has a 13-inch viewing area that we're going to see here in a minute. This particular one is on a vaulted ceiling, floating shelf. And we're just getting ready to start cutting and finishing it off with some 24 by 48 inch tiles. So super excited for this homeowner along with the design. But let's fire this thing up here. Again, this is the Landscape Pro Multi-View Series, 3-sided, 13-inch, actually I think it's a 16-inch viewing area. So let's fire this thing up. There we go, ease of operation, remote control. This one will also be installing the additional wall-mounted remote. Great sensitivity and being able to change those colors, so this homeowner is going to be able to set the mood. Whatever they prefer, varying colors, great, fantastic ease of use from the wireless remote. But really want to give a shout out to modernblaze.com. Fantastic customer service, fast shipping. Did a lot of research, and their installation instructions that come with their product, openings, cutouts that you need, such a great thing. This particular version is one that could have been done wall mounted. You can do flush mount, 2-sided, 3-sided. So excited to get this one finished up. We're going to top it off with the white crystal rocks in there with the glass in there. So send another video once it's all finished up, but really want to give a shout out to modernblaze.com.